Alright guys, so I'm heading home now, from work, and I got caught on a little bit of snow, so the streets are kind of okay, but the snow is coming down and it's starting to fill up because, it was treated and everything, but I guess, over time it's all faded off and it's like covered on snow, so I'm basically going slow as shit so my car won't slide. Let me show you guys. And there it is. There's the snow coming down. So you guys can tell the road. There is some snow on the road already. And yeah, man, this is sketchy, man. Also for this car, Oh, by the way, I changed the color of my car. It's white. I'm just kidding, guys. But it's scary. Got out of work and first thought was like, damn, I don't know if I can make it through that, Like right now, for example, it's sketchy because it's like uphill and it's a curve. Just on now is the time that I wish I had a second vehicle, like an all-wheel drive vehicle. That way I wouldn't have to suffer through this. Check that out, a nice Porsche. Yeah, it's like 2 feet of snow. No, I'm kidding, it's not. But it's gonna get there probably. You never know. Pretty sure everybody in the streets are looking like I'm a psycho or something, There's, look at that. Everybody's driving their SUVs, Well, except for that guy. He got a small sedan, but they do better than a Mustang for sure, Yeah, all the snow, man. It's not a lot, but it's enough to cause some trouble on my car. Alright guys, so I made it home and there's my baby. Oh man, I feel bad for her. I'll be better once I get a nice home for us, for my girl, for her car, my car, for my pets, which are 3 little pigs and her little one, which is cute, he's adorable. But yeah, it's snowy, so like I said, he's a daily driver. He ain't no garage queen, She gets driven on a daily and she's gonna get built also, and hopefully soon I get another daily driver, hopefully, cross fingers, and the next daily driver is gonna have to be an all-wheel drive. I was thinking of Fiat 500 of Barth, but I got another car in store for you guys that not a lot of people like, but I actually like it, so as you guys can see, the snow is filling up now. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button, and I'll see you guys then.